Hey, I have here a very cool item. This is an extension pole, but I mean, it is a beefy one. This one here will do 24-foot extension, 3/4 inch thread here. It's all aluminum. You get a little foam grip here and here, and then you've got 4 releases. You can see the aluminum there. So you think about all those things you're trying to do at your house or at your workplace. Uh, this will get your cleaning tools up in the air. This will get your paintbrush, your paint roller, you name it. Give you a better look at it here, a little wider. It's beefy. So they have this also in a 24-foot. The smallest this goes down, this is 4 foot 9 inches. So that's how compact, all the way up 24 foot. Cleaning, painting, dusting. Extension poles are always very handy. Get you off those ladders. So if you need one and you want a heavy duty, you need 3/4 inch right here on this thread. Give this one a look. It is good. Wow.